Hmm, here's a fun one. Just a little shift, and suddenly the graph tells a whole new story. So let's take a look of question number 14 from College Board Bundle 10, Module 1. The function f is defined by f of x. Okay, factors are given, three factors. First factor x minus 6, x minus 2, and x plus 6. Okay. In the xy plane, the graph of y is equal to gx is the result of translating the graph of y is equal to fx, which is this one, up 4 units. What is the value of g of 0? Okay. Now let's see what happens when we add or subtract some value from a function. Let's see y is equal to f of x is some graph, some parent graph, right? And you add some value to it. Let's say I am adding 4 to it. So where this value is going? It is adding up in the y value, in the function value. And where is the y value on the x and y plane? It is on the vertical axis, right? For example, right now f of x is here. So if you add some value to the function but not disturbing the x value, so it will shift up that much of points, right? So for example, I am writing f of x plus 4, so it is moving up 4 points. Now if I am subtracting some number out of it, for example f of x minus 3, so that means I am subtracting 3 from the y value, which is on the vertical line. So it will come down 3 points. And when it moves up or down, it is known as the vertical translation, and it happens by adding or subtracting some number, right? So let's see what our question is. Y is equal to fx when moves up 4 units, resultant graph is gx. The graph of y is equal to gx is the result of translating the graph of y is equal to fx up 4 units. That means g of x is actually the transformation of f of x up 4 units, right? Okay. Let's write f of x here. So this is x minus 6, x minus 2, x plus 6 and plus 4. Okay, now when we write y is equal to f of x, so here this x is the input, and when you give any input, whatever the value of fx or y, that is known as the output. In our question, we have to give input as 0. So let's give g of 0. That means every x has to be replaced by 0, the input. 0 negative, 0 minus 6, 0 minus 2, 0 plus 6, and then plus 4. Okay, now we have to do calculations. Now time for some algebra skills. So 0 minus 6 is minus 6, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 0 plus 6 is 6, and then plus 4. Now we have PEMDAS, first multiplication and then addition. You cannot do 6 plus 4, 10, right? So in the sequence, multiplication comes first and then comes the addition. So let's do multiplication. Negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. So when two same signs are multiplied, result is always positive. Times 6 plus 4. Now again this is multiplication, it comes before addition, so we have to do 12 times 6 first. We cannot do 6 plus 4, right? Because in PEMDAS, multiplication comes first, PEMDAS, and then comes addition. So 72 plus 4. See, sequence really matters. If you do addition first, that will give you the wrong answer. So always follow the sequence while multiplying or doing any mathematical operations. and this is 76. So 76 is the value of g of 0. I hope that is clear.